Hello legends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at current price action on a few charts, but firstly a couple of metrics, starting with one from James Van Straten over on X at BTC JVS. Bitcoin total supply in loss yesterday, huge move to the upside, tying in nicely not only with capitulation, but as James says here, so many metrics have identified a near bottom. Now, historically, this metric has always interacted with or got above price before it's marked the actual bottom. But with us being so close to it now, it is well worth us paying attention. A key stat yesterday, over 10 million Bitcoin were sitting at a loss. Peak bear market levels. And another metric I really like, granted there's not a lot of data points to go off of here, but the accuracy up until now has been very good. Ethereum, number of days spent at a profit. At the bare minimum, whenever this metric has interacted with price, we've seen a nice bit of relief. Hopefully we get the start of a run rather than some relief, but the fact in such a short space of time we have just shot straight up there, that sort of move is not actually too dissimilar to this. Yesterday was a serious event, so the fact we're there now, I am expecting we do see a bit more short-term relief coming our way. Total crypto market cap, let's go on to here. Shared this chart a couple of times now. I mean, it's a tough sell for me to think that there's much left of a bear market. Full transparency on crypto as an asset, you all know by now I am bullish as a whole, and I'm bullish as it gets. But I understand there are bull and bear markets, but on the space as a whole, I cannot help but remain obscenely positive. And when I see the RSI at historical lows, I cannot help but just become a little bit more bullish. We're not quite there yet. We are right by it. And again, it's just all about building a bigger picture. When you're looking at certain metrics, certain indicators, price itself, certain levels, and they're all coinciding quite nicely with each other, it just gives you a better overall picture. Now, if I just move this over here, and we look at Bitcoin, what happened yesterday? Clearly, I think we had a $12,000 candle. Was it 12? From 72 down to 62. So 10, yeah. But today, what has happened? We've gone from 59 up to 71. So a $12,000 day candle to the upside. Keep in mind, although I'm bullish and I'm hoping we can reclaim this level now, we don't know how price is going to react when we get back up to it. We've got a key swing low here, and we've got the last low pre-break just here as well. That was Wednesday's low and Tuesday's low coinciding quite nicely. So I think it's going to be a bit of a sticking point. I don't think we're just going to blitz straight through there. But just keep a close eye on here, because if you see weakness, we are likely to see a bit more of a retracement off of this level. But hopefully we can reclaim it and all will be well and good. That remains to be seen. If you have a quick look at ETH, lovely bounce off of the bottom of this wick here, coinciding nicely as well with the last high pre-break here before price had that impulse move from, what was it, 1800, and then one candle took us straight to 2200. Lovely. I mean, what we wouldn't give to see that today. If we can close back above here, we're just above 2,000 now, but keep in mind we're at this swing low, we're very close to this, and we've just literally tagged this little low here, and we're seeing a bit of a retracement, but it's not a major level. So again, I'm hoping we can see a bit more of a push higher. And again, when we look at the RSI, we have only been down at these levels 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times in Ethereum's life have we been this low. So again, just more confirmation, more stats, data, analytics, whatever you want to call it, all coinciding and pointing to the fact that soon enough we should see some nice relief. And if we just look at today's action, I mean, if ever there was a time we need a few days like this, it is now. But as I say, I don't know what I said actually. Just proceed with caution. Be calculated in your approach. Take your time. Breathe. Crypto is not going anywhere. It's not all going to zero. You'll be all right. I'll chat with you soon. If you've got any questions, leave a comment. And in the meantime, trade safe, keep the faith. Stay bullish. Cheers.